Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a gel polish design on my nails. It's going to be a little bit Christmassy, but not too Christmassy because it's just going to be like the beginning of December kind of thing. I wanted to use this. Now, Madam Glam sent me this. I've already opened it, so there's not really anything left inside. I'm really sorry if you can hear my little puppy clip-clopping across the floor. But these are the colours that it came with. So we've got these two. Don't know if there's actual names. Oh, we have names. Sweater Weather and Feast Your Nails. So these are actually, I'm already getting a bit of a Christmas theme from it. And then Busy Avocado and Sweet November. So today I'm going to use these two. And then on my other hand, I think I'm going to use the other two. I might mix a bit of pink in as well, just to, you know. But what I thought was, I might go in with a bit of this gold chrome as well to like spice it up a little bit. This is from Born Pretty. And it's just a gold chrome. So that's kind of my plan. I'm not going to do anything too wild. I just want a nice, simple set. And I think we should just get on with it. So let's do it. I'm going to go with more grey, I think, because I think the time of pink isn't quite in right now with it being more wintry. So that's the plan. Maybe if I move this, I can do it like that. Now, I remember the Madame Glam that they sent me. They have sent me something before. I don't know if you guys will remember it. But it was like it wasn't the same polishes. It was different. There is a video on them as well. I think it was like a one coat or it was... Oh, it was like... It had like the base coat and the top coat all in one. And the bottles were like quite a bit smaller. This set came with a base coat and a top coat. I'm not going to use the base coat just because I'm putting these over gel. I'm putting these over gel nails. But this set does come with a base coat. Oh, this is the wrong nail. What am I doing? I'm not supposed to be doing this nail grey. It's supposed to be pink. Right, okay, we'll do the middle nail pink instead. I always do the ring nail, and I used to always do the middle nail different. And then I started doing them, and then I feel like the trend was that it was the ring finger. But I'm going to go back to what I used to do. Right, we'll leave that one. I'll do the pink, the middle finger and the thumb pink. This is quite a nice colour. It's definitely going to need at least one more coat. Might as well get the underneath as well. I did these nails with dual forms. And the video should be up actually. I have I have planned my my Vlogmas. I don't know whether it's going to be going to plan or not. I'm really hoping it is. Oh, this is quite thick. But if it is, then that video will already be up. And then this is the design part of the video. So this is kind of like a part 2. And I am working with my non-dom hand right now. And I hate it. I really hate it. Oh, that looks just so clumpy, but I'm so crap with my what is it, hand? This is definitely thicker than the grey one though was. I don't know if that'll come off on camera, but it's a lot thicker. Slightly more difficult to work with, but we've got it. We got this. So how is everybody doing? How is everybody enjoying Vlogmas? I hope this is going up for Vlogmas. It will be. I believe in myself. So that'll do for the first coat, I guess. That pink just looks so thick. I'm going to cure these now. Right, so I have wiped the sticky layer off this one, and this one, because I'm going to do chrome on these two. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Blue Sky No Wipe, because we want a no wipe for this. I'm just going to do the whole nail. But I might not, I'm not going to chrome the whole, well, I'm going to attempt to do a bit of a fade. Because I really want to be able to show off the colours that obviously that I've used. So I don't want to just totally cover it in chrome. And just something to note, the pink was so... I've done another coat. Oh, by the way, yeah, I forgot to say. I'm so sorry, guys. I did another coat of both colours. Just one more coat, and that was enough. Oh, hairs everywhere. Always. Look at that. Get off my nail. Oh my God, it's proper stuck on. So yeah, this is nearly run out, which isn't helpful. So I did another layer of everything. And now I'm just gonna no wipe top coat the ones that I'm gonna be putting chrome on. And this top coat, I've used it quite a bit, I think, with chrome. I don't know if you can see. But there's like little sparkly bits already in it. So I'm gonna cure them. So we've done this one and this one. I'm going to cure them. And I'm going to go in with this chrome powder. The reason why I just wiped the sticky layer off the other nails is I didn't want to... I tend to always get bits of chrome on the nails that I don't want it. So if I wipe it off with the sticky layer first, then that won't happen. I can just wipe them clean before I top coat them. I don't even know if this is going to look dreadful or what. But I'm hoping not. I do remember this needs so many coats though, it's a nightmare. It might actually look quite cool if I just did it over. I think it looks better, actually better glittery than chromey, but I wanted to try the chrome out. Right, let me dust it off and see what it's looking like. This does end up looking a bit glittery anyway, but I'm kind of glad about that. I don't know if you're going to really be able to see it. Do you know what I'm going to do? So I'm going to cure that. I'll do the other one first. But then I might try not a no wipe on top and see if it goes even more glittery. Because I'm just feeling glittery. I'm not going to lie, I'm feeling glittery. So let's do the thumbnail. You're going to be able to see it a lot better on here. I've used this last year, I remember, and it took probably about 4 layers of it to make it look right. Oh no, I actually really like this as it is. It looks better on this one. Try fade it down a bit. Oh, I love that. Ah, yes, that looks pretty cool. I might leave that as it is. It doesn't obviously show up as well on that nail. But on that one, it looks so cool. It looks well glittery. Yay! I love a bit of glitter. But yeah, this one was different to this came with a red and a green, and they went on much more chromy, whereas this one was really, I think the flakes are just bigger. The flakes are just bigger, and so it doesn't work quite as well. So this one, you might not be able to really tell. I'm going to try to do it with the other one. It's more chromy on the tip, and then it fades to glitter. So what I'm going to do is just rub it more on the tip, just to get the chrome effect just at the tip. But because it's a bit glittery, I'm not actually bothered about it being like really opaque. Sorry, I do get excited, don't I? I'm such a gay artist. Dust it off. Dust it off. So, that's what it's looking like. Now, see, this is the problem when you do this. I'm gonna, whatever I use now, whatever top coat I use, it's gonna get covered in flipping glitter. Just dusting it off as much as I can, because I don't want it to get covered in glitter. But I'm gonna go for it. And I'm going to use the Madam Glam one. Oh, do I want to do this and get this covered in bloody glitter? I'm going to use a Madam Glam one. I'm going to go on the non-glitter nails first. Because I'm happy with that. I don't need to go in with any more. I'm happy with how that's ended up. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with the non-glitter nails first. I've got a little bit of something to dab it off if I need to as well before I put it back in. So, I believe that this is not a no wipe, as far as I'm aware. Could be wrong. But it doesn't say on it that it's a no wipe, so I'm guessing it's not. Oh, that was what I was going to say as well. The pink was so much thicker. It was much more difficult to work with. Like, once you've got it on, it's fine. And it looks really nice. It looks gorgeous, but it was a bit more difficult to work with. So, obviously, you guys know I will always give you my honest opinion. And, yeah, but I absolutely love it. It's a gorgeous colour. But just something to think about. The grey was really easy to work with. And it wasn't like it was super thin and you needed loads of coats. I only did the 2 coats. But yeah. It was thin, but just what you need. Right, here we go. Oh, bloody hell. I hate doing this. Okay. It's covered in glitter now. Damn it! As long as it doesn't wipe too much of the glitter away. I want to make sure that I haven't made all that run into my cuticle now as well. That's not too bad. Wipe it off. Get all that glitter off. And then I'm going to cure this. So I did have a sticky layer. I've just wiped the sticky layer off. And I'm covered in gold glitter now. But this is the finished result. I really like them. I really like the colours. I really like the grey. I think the grey is like my favourite actually. Oh, I've got glitter everywhere, but it will come off. It's just because it's like loose on my fingers and stuff. But yeah, I'm hoping that you can get a good idea of what they look like. And I do like this chrome as well. I think it looks so good on the pink because it kind of looks like rose gold over the pink. Oh, I wish like I'd done all the nails like that now. I love that. I hope you can see all right, but yeah. So this is the finished result. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are new, because I would love for you to hang around. And yes, hopefully if everything's gone to plan, then Vlogmas is happening, and this is one of the first Vlogmas videos that you will be seeing. And there's going to be much more Christmassy nails to come, trust me. This is just a nice kind of not too in your face, a little bit of gold glitteriness to make it feel a little bit Christmassy. The more Christmassy stuff's coming, don't you worry. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!